Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use Format Painter in Excel for multiple cells. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have a data. So here I'm going to use the formatting on the cell. So I select here the order ID 13. Then go to the Home tab. In Font Group, select the bold to bold this order ID. Then I select this entire row. Then at field the color, again go to the Home tab. In Font Group, click on the field color option and I select here the different color. Then I select here the cell person name. Again, I select here the different color to highlight this name. In total price, I use here the font color. Okay, I select the red color. And this formatting I'm going to paste in another row also. Okay, so simply select the full row. So I select here the entire row. Then go to the Home tab. In Clipboard Group, simply double click on the Format Painter option. Okay, this is a Format Painter option. Simply double click on it and now your cursor changes to the brush. You can see here. And after that, you can copy this formatting in another row also. Simply select the row. So I'm going to copy this formatting in order ID 22. I just click on the 22 and see here the formatting is paste. Okay, again I select the 29, 34, 42, 46, 52. So this is a way you can use the Format Painter for multiple cells. Okay, so hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.